everyone, back in the Moto Twins Garage channel. So we have a new bike, Suzuki GSX-R 2005, and I will show you now the damages for the bike. Right, so there's few damages for the plastics. Scratches here, broken fairing. The inside fairing is broken as well. Generator cover is broken. Hope so, generator is good. Few scratches for the fairings. This side is almost good. Exhaust, everything is fine. Here is the scratches as well. Scratches on the front fairing as well. The mileage for the bike is 22,000 miles, so it's approximately 35,000 kilometers, something like that. Scratches on the mirror, but overall I think easy project. Need to do fairing, need to change the cover, and that's it. Okay, now I will clean the bike and will show you how the bike looks when it's clean. This one's completely broken here as well, so we'll need the new fairings. Easy, first try. The bike was standing 3 years, but everything is alright. So here's the new fairings, the old fairings just from the painting, and we have the inside fairing from Suzuki, and the mirror turn signal, that one is broken. Alright, so let's do unboxing. We have here from Suzuki. So this one I bought the new one, so from Riga, capital city, from the Suzuki. So it is almost the same like from the eBay. So this one is new. Inside fairing, so this one was like 80 euros. So I checked in the eBay, it was like 50 euros, but the shipping and everything, so it was almost the same, like I bought a new one from Suzuki. Other one, turn signal, it's inside in the mirror, so this one was like 27 or something like that euro, so with the E markers and everything. So it's alright, this one is done. The blue fairing is installed. There is only 3 screws from the inside. Alright, so same thing for the other side. Alright, so now the fairing is ready to install. Alright, so the bike is ready. The next thing what I need to do is go to the MOT. I don't know how it's in English, so that thing I need to pass, that I can go legally on the street. So in Latvia we call it SSDD. So yeah, everything is fixed. I think the bike looks good. Alright, so MOT. How much is MOT in Latvia? 25 euros for MOT. So let's hope everything will be alright. One guy is in front, so we are next. Oh, let's go. Zero. All good. Alright guys, that's it for Suzuki video. The MOT is done, 0 faults, and now the bike can be on the street for 2 years, so all good with the Suzuki. So now just the bike waiting for the next owner. That's it about Suzuki. So thank you for watching, and you can write in the comments if you want to ask me something about the prices or something like that. So, and see you in the next video.